Tapos walking on the glass. O sige, go girl. Kaya mo yan. Are you sure it's strong enough to hold you this the one on the upper part? I think that one is okay. You can cross. Huh? Nalaglag ka dyan. Sisipain pa kita. I said if you fall down, I kick you more.
Video we can post.
Brutal na ano.
Oh.
Ayan.
But she made it.
Because the madam wanted to go all the way up there and walk all the way here. Let's see. Ang gagaling no? Ano, P? Walk.
Ambulance is 991, right?
Oh. Are you sure it can hold properly, girl, ah?
No, it's solid.
It's solid?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. Sige, girl.
Wow.
Tapos yakap ka dito sa isang puno, tapos pababa ka na. Paano ka, darus-us pababa.
High.
Yeah. I will take it
Down.
later.
No,
If she fall here, she will fall all the way there to the water also. Oh, sige girl. Oh, diba? Oh.
Now how to?
You hug the tree and you fall from the tree na.
No, I don't want to fall from.
Because if you go all the way there, oh, there's so much.
No.
Basta na.
For a canopy walk.
Basta pag nalhulog ka dyan, handa ka lang dyan. That one is dry. But it's strong, the...
Don't. So I'm gonna let it fall.
no, I wanted to try to put
Okay? Tapos ako palang nalaglag dito, no? Pag nalaglag siya all the way here, look. Huh? The adventure with Anyati. Sige, girl.